Hey. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully it's going to become even more beautiful. Looking forward to that possibility. Yeah. The bad news is it's a rain day. It is definitely becoming a rain day, so we're not going to be working on the boat, which is sad. I'd like to be working on the boat. In any case, sailing. Sailing is the most expensive way to get where you're going by steering somewhere else and arriving late. It is definitely not the kind of thing you want to do if you have deadlines. Yeah, I don't do well with deadlines anyway, so yeah, that's pretty good there. Yeah, so for me, sailing works. Go slowly and enjoy. And that's what I'm looking forward to this summer, doing some sailing. We got a lot of work to do on the boat before that. Yeah. Another part of sailing is, of course, finding your boat. And I think that the CS-27 is going to be my boat by default. Pardon me. And, well, let's face it, CS-27 is a great boat. It's a wonderful racer cruiser hybrid. And it's designed to handle all conditions. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. On the other hand, part of me does still long for an Allberg. Not a big Allberg, but a little Allberg. In the 18 to 24 foot range. Yeah, or a Herreshoff, similarly long keel, shallow draft, beautiful, graceful, elegant, and designed to look good with a gaff rig. Modern sailboats, you put a gaff rig on them, it looks like it doesn't fit. An Allberg or a Herreshoff, though, a lot of them were designed for a gaff rig. Yeah, nice. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah. Looking forward to the season. Looking forward to doing some racing. Looking forward to do some camping out on the water as well. That'd be nice. Also, looking forward to a new job. Yeah, I was tentatively hired at a restaurant. And unfortunately, they seem to be having some trouble getting their stuff together, so I don't know when I'm starting. I want to start soon. I really want to start soon. Yeah. That would be nice. Anyway, enough of my stuff. Enjoy the day, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't let things get to you. Take care, be well.